What is up, everybody? I hope you'll forgive me for the crack in the lens, but today I got more Airsoft gameplay from Motor City Airsoft in Michigan. Today I have an officer match for you. The officer is one player on each team who's got a bright band on their arm, and they can heal teammates by touching them for 10 seconds. So if you get shot, you need to sit down where you got shot and you need to wait for someone to come help you. So these games tend to be kind of long because both teams hide their officers, because if the officer gets shot, that's a game over for the entire team. So how it works is that we keep our officer in the back on one side, they keep their officer in the back on the other, and we send squads of people to go out and try and kill their officer. This kind of makes the game pretty long. This one was about 15 to 20 minutes, I believe. So I'm gonna cut out most of the times where if I get shot, I'm sitting around a while waiting for someone to come drag me or something. But other than that, I hope you enjoy. Alan's still here with me, and he just volunteered to be the officer. So, good luck to him, I guess.
Good job, man. Don't get killed.
Alright guys, listen up. Listen up! No talking! How this game works is your officer here can revive you if you guys get down. But it's 10 seconds spawn delay. So you have to you have to do this. 1, 2, all the way up to 10. Alright? If the officer is shot, game over. You guys have to hunt down the other officer and kill him. They have to kill him as well.
So since we can take our dead guys to the officer, the general plan is just to hide him and then drag dead guys to him.
I'm not trying to protect you, but I expect you to revive me. Need healing. I need healing. I need healing. I need healing. Oh, there we go. Alan, don't stay out in the back. Stay in the middle.
Hey, who's our officer? Comrade.
And I go down in like the first 30 seconds of the game. So here, I'm sitting here, and somebody's going to come up and drag me into that room ahead of me, and then someone else is going to die, and they're going to put him in there too. And the idea, I guess, is that they're going to collect other dead guys and put them in the same room, and then hopefully get them healed at the same time.
Just throw him in here. Throw him in here. Hey, what's up, man? Hey! We're dead. Man, great game mode, right? Yeah. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you.
Be do it.
Okay. I'm gonna pull some YouTube bullshit. This is one right there. I love you.
Have fun.
So the idea here is pretty much I just think pistols are cool, and I've been playing a lot with my shotgun recently. My last few videos are pretty shotgun heavy, so I decided just to push up with the pistol, see what I can do. The answer is not much, actually.
Stacking up on you. Where are they?
I am back. Kill him.
Backing up. I want to move up.
No.
Woo!
Draggle me!
This keeps falling out.
Hey, when you drag, you stay where you died, bro. It's just okay. Drag this brava! John, this brava! There's nothing on your right. No! The barracks. The box. There's one guy in the box. The rest of the boxes. One guy box, the rest mitigate. You know, 3 or 4 guys over the left. We're coming back to the right. They're moving right?
Hey!
So right here, I get capped. But I left this clip in though because there's still some pretty cool gameplay from the guys around me. So even if I'm dead, I think you guys would like to see that. And I get dragged off pretty soon anyway.
Hey, Jake! Are they in the blue building? Yeah. Blue building! Blue building! Hey, Jake, you gonna move? Hey,
I'm
Jake,
dead.
you dead?
Yeah, here. Go by my legs.
Go.
Pull.
This is actually kind of funny. Right now, my other friend Sam, who came with me, he's dragging me, and I'm on my knees right now. My knee pads are sliding me across the floor while he pulls me to the medic.
Hey, where's your officer?
Officer? Officer, back corner, back corner. Back corner? Back corner.
Please get him to me. I would like
You
to
need
play.
him?
I'm dead, yeah. Oh. Nice. Hey, can you get some suppressive fire down?
The gray window.
Left.
Doorway and window behind it. No, the window. Right there, too. Right there. Hey, see it. Right there. The corner. Hey, to the left. The corner. Go, Devon!
So here I pushed up into the building past the wall, so now I'm kind of in enemy territory. Right there I was taking some friendly fire actually, but I didn't want to yell out to him and tell him I'm friendly because then people around the building might hear me in here. So here I go.
Hey, you got me.
And now I'm dead in the worst possible place because I'm on enemy
I'm
territory
dead.
and all my teammates are stuck on the other side of that building like you saw. So I'm actually sitting here dead for a little while, so yeah. So because I was sitting there so long, I actually turned my camera off. Then one of my teammates actually got in there and pulled me out in between the two buildings before, that you saw before. And then he got shot. So right now I'm in between both these buildings, dead, waiting for someone to pick me up.
Good. Nice. I'd like to live.
CQB's not viable, right?
Yeah.
So no one can go in there? You're in a
Okay.
really good spot. to be honest.
I'm just sitting here guarding.
I mean, yeah, you got that.
You good? Moving left.
I think by this point in the game, we had most of their team wiped out. And so now we're moving on to kill their officer. So what happens here is, this is the guy, we just breach and clear a couple buildings. No one was in them,
Yes.
no big deal.
Okay.
But we do eventually get shot, we go down, then we get revived. It turns out game's over.
Push straight across.
Straight across?
Yeah.
I'm go to these buckets.
There's a lot of
All the way down to the left. Head! Head! I'm dead!
Yep,
I'm
so
dead! I'm
we
dead!
go down, someone shot us through the building on the other side of the window. But we get back up pretty quick.
be careful.
Here, hold the pistol real quick for me.
You on handy now?
No, I'm asking if you can hold it real quick.
Oh,
while I
okay,
run.
yeah, sorry.
Good. Alright. Ready?
Wounded, move, 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 move.
Yellow building, yellow building, yellow building.
So this guy comes to pick me up and runs me all the way back to our medic, and so I get back in the game. But by the time I come back, it turns out that we've pretty much won. I think what happened was we already shot their officer, but nobody actually knew. So we killed the rest of their guys and no one was around to revive them, so that ended the game. So if you like this gameplay, if you like what you see, check out my channel. Don't forget to leave a like and a sub, and thanks. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one.
Where's our officer? Yellow building. The middle one right there. Hey, no, left, left. Does anyone have a grenade?
Dude, the game should be over.
The game should be over.
I shot the back team's off.
Wait, that's game then. That's game. Game. Let's go. That's it.